are headed out. It's June 27th, and we are doing another quick weekend, sort of weekend, in Colorado again, and we're taking you with us. So let's hit the road. You've been up a while.
Yeah, since like 5. It's June 28th and we're camping southwest of Idaho Springs in some I think National Forest here. We finally got the tent set up at 12:30 last night. And I think I woke up at 5 a.m. this morning with the sun and have not been able to go back to sleep.
You didn't go back to sleep?
Not since like 5. No.
Man, I did go back to sleep.
But it's pretty chilly. Not sure how cold it is, but a light jacket is definitely wanted, needed. So we've put our jackets on this morning.
Well, I slept in his.
Yeah. We've already started tearing down the tent and taking stuff and putting it in the car. But I was going to show you our sleep pad situation. Let's see here.
They're deflated now.
They are deflated, but the sleep pads overlap pretty significantly in this tent, and you can tell it is wall to wall already. And so I slept at an incline pretty much all night long. And yep, we are sleeping with 2 sleep pads underneath us, which is actually very comfortable.
Yeah. It's not right now, sitting here.
Yeah, sitting.
Because these Z-Light or X-Light?
I don't know what they're called.
The Thermarests are just
Z-Lights. Thermarest Z-Lights.
Comfortable. I don't know how so many people do it.
I don't know.
I let my sleeping pad out and I'm like instantly in pain. Like my hips and stuff.
Anyway,
so
we're gonna pack up the tent and we will see you. I wanted it down here.
Oh, but
it's so much heavier to hold it up here.
My neck has so many rolls down there.
Alright, we're gonna pack up the tent and we will see you later in today.
Yeah, who knows?
Yep. we are at the Crag Crest Trail in Grand Mesa National Forest, or Mesa National Forest, something like that. We didn't realize how much snow was going to be here. We looked for reports online before we came. There weren't any. But we did talk to a lady at a lodge nearby, and she said that there are places where the snow is, 4 feet deep. And we just talked to another couple that had hiked, and they said that there were places they fell down to their waist. And we just started trying to do some hiking here, and Carlie and I both already have fallen through the snow down to our knees. Gonna give you a shot of that. Yeah, it's pretty bad. So we're gonna do some filming real quick. Carlie's doing a time lapse, and probably gonna see if we can find a different trail to hike, maybe down at a lower elevation, maybe near Palisade or something like that. There's tons of trails all over this area. Right now we don't have cell service, so we can't look for more, but we'll see what we can find, and we'll take you guys along with us. Thanks.